Hey, Teddy.
Hello, how are you doing?
How are you?
I'm good.
How excited are you about the idea of having a movement studio?
I'm very excited. We're going to have our brand new yoga movement studio right over here.
Wow. But even before we get there, let's take a peek at this. This is Vista. So it's May 6th, the day after Cinco de Mayo. This is Vista, which is right next door to Desierto, and it faces the organic garden. And part of the reason it's called Vista is because of the views here. But let's go actually take a look at the movement studio first, because that's what Teddy's really excited about. Yeah, this is all going to be done. Those of you who come to Alumni Week, you will be the first people actually staying here in the Vista building, which is pretty exciting because there's 8 bedrooms here. It's right next door. So let's see, going back this way. There are 4 different terraces here with, oh my God, amazing views. We'll actually go up. We'll go up and check it out. So Teddy, here's the movement studio. That's the garden next to it. This will have a wood floor, right?
Yes, bamboo wood.
Bamboo wood. Talk to us, Teddy. You're just talking. You're like.
I'm in awe. I'm in awe. Like finally.
Finally, he's got the movement studio he's always wanted.
Yeah,
and then I guess out here, there's the bocce ball court and a little tropical garden next to the vegetable garden here. You can see Desierto right next door. Teddy, let's go upstairs. Let's go see. Let's go to maybe the 2nd floor. So this is actually, for those of you who know Desierto next door where the classroom is, this place is actually about 50% larger than that. Crazy. It's got another classroom here, a sitting area, 8 bedrooms, as I mentioned. Oh, Peligroso. So we don't want to go that way. Let's go this way, though. We're going to go upstairs. Yeah, I know you're looking at this and saying, oh, Chip, this is not going to be done in time for the July 10th to the 17th Alumni Week here. Yes, it will. Promise you, we've done this before. We know how to do this. Okay, we're now on the 2nd floor.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Here's a big terrace here. This one's going to have a huge pergola, so you get a little bit of the view there. But let's go even higher, Teddy.
Oh wow. Okay.
Teddy, let's get high. Let's get high. Teddy doesn't do that anymore. Oh, and there's a cross, and the reason the crosses are here is because May 4th is the day of the crosses, and so any construction projects, check out. Oh, for those of you who've never been here when the farms are going, you have missed out because the farms are going right now. The crosses are here on the day of the crosses because it's good luck for construction sites. And there's a construction site next door to us, which is not us. But as you can see from the view up here, wow, see there's a terrace there, terrace there, terrace there. We're standing on a terrace, and of course you got a great view of the garden, hacienda, which is also now part of the campus because Oren and I have moved. And so if you come to Alumni Week in July, not only do you get to see an elated Teddy, woohoo, because of the fact that we have a movement studio for him finally, but also you'll get to hang out in the hacienda, do laps in the pool there, and be part of this new part of the campus.
It's really a campus.
It's really a campus.
It really looks like a campus.
Yeah. And we'll see you here in July.
Pumping waves.
Pumping waves. We're gonna go surf.